Hello friends, today we shall solve some examples from practice set 1.4. Let us see first example. If n of a is equal to 15, n of a union b is equal to 29, n of a intersection b is equal to 7, then n of b is equal to question mark. Here number of elements of set A are 15. Number of elements of set of A union B is equal to 29. Number of elements of A intersection B is equal to 7. And we are going to find number of elements of set B. Now we know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So now here substituting the values of n of A is equal to 15, n of B we are going to find it minus n of A intersection B, that is 7, and value of n of A union B, number of elements, that is given as 29. So here therefore n of B is equal to 29 minus 15 plus 7. n of B is equal to हे प्लस 15 आहे. आपण जेव्हा त्याची बाजू बदलली तेव्हा ते मायनस झालं आणि मायनस 7 इट विल बिकम प्लस 7. सो देयरफॉर n of B is equal to 29 minus 15 plus 7. That is 29 minus 15 is 40 plus 7. Therefore n of B is equal to 21. That is number of elements of set B is equal to 21. Let us see second example. In a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink both tea and coffee. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So here first of all we shall assume let U be the universal set. So let capital U be the universal set. So here there are some students who drink tea as well as there are some students who drink coffee. So let us assume A be the set of students, who drink tea. Also let us consider capital B be the set of students who drink coffee. Now therefore number of elements of set A, that is n of A is equal to 80. n of B is equal to number of elements in set B is equal to 60. U is the universal set. So number of elements in universal set is equal to 125. Also there are some students who drink both tea as well as coffee. Therefore n of A intersection B is equal to 20. Now find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. आपल्याला असे विद्यार्थी शोधून काढायचे आहेत की जे दोन्ही पेयांपैकी कोणतेही पेय पीत नाहीत. मग या ठिकाणी सुरुवातीला आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन द सेट A union B शोधावं लागेल. First of all we have to find the number of elements of set A union B. We know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now all the elements you know. n of A is equal to 80. Substituting the given values, 80 plus n of B is here 60 minus n of A intersection B is here 20. So this is equal to 140 minus 20. So n of A union B is equal to, therefore n of A union B is equal to 120. But what is asked in the example? Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Therefore, number of students who do not drink tea or coffee is equal to set of universal set, number of elements in universal set, minus n of A union B. So this is equal to n of u. N of u, number of elements in universal set is 125 minus n of A union B is 120. So this is equal to 5. So there are 5 students who do not drink tea or coffee. Let us see our third example from practice set. Our third example is, in a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students passed in mathematics and 40 students passed in both the subjects. None of them failed in both the subjects. Find the total number of students. It means that there are 50 students passed in English. इंग्रजी विषयामध्ये उत्तीर्ण झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या 50 आहे. गणित विषयामध्ये उत्तीर्ण झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या 60 आहे आणि दोन्ही विषयांमध्ये उत्तीर्ण झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या 40 आहे. त्यापैकी कोणताही विद्यार्थी अनुत्तीर्ण झालेला नाही. तर आपल्याला काय शोधायचं आहे? फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. एकूण विद्यार्थी संख्या किती आहे ते आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शोधायचं आहे. So let us assume that E be the set of students who passed in English. So let us write, let capital E be the set of students, passed in English. Capital M be the set of students passed in mathematics. So therefore number of elements of set E is equal to 50. Number of elements of set M is equal to 60. There are 40 students who passed in both the subjects. Therefore, n of E intersection M is equal to 40. Now in this example, we are going to find the number of elements of E union M. That is the total number of students, because there is no any students who failed in the exam. So therefore, we know that here n of E union M is equal to n of E plus n of M minus n of E intersection M. Now substituting the given values in the formula. So n of E union M is equal to number of elements of set E 50 plus number of elements of set M, that is 60, minus number of elements of E union M is equal to 40. So 110 minus 40, that is equal to 70, and therefore n of E union M is equal to 70. Means there are 70 students who passed either in English or mathematics. So the total number of students total number of students is equal to 70. Therefore, total number of students is equal to 70. Let's see our fifth example from practice set. Fifth example is observe the Venn diagram and write the following sets. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी ही वेन आकृती दिलेली आहे आणि या आकृतीच्या सहाय्याने आपल्याला दिलेल्या सेट्सचे एलिमेंट्स लिहायचे आहेत. सो द गिवन सेट्स आर ए बी, ए युनियन बी, युनिव्हर्सल सेट यू, ए डॅश दॅट इज ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट, B dash, B complement and A union B dash. So we are going to find the elements of these sets by observing the Venn diagram. First is A. So A is equal to, in curly bracket, what will be the elements of set A? This is set A. So X, Y, Z, the elements will be like this. X, Y, Z, M, comma, N. Then second, set B, B is equal to, in the set B, this is our set B, so elements will be P, Q, R, M, N. So B is equal to, in curly bracket, P, Q, R, M, N, curly bracket close. Now third one is A union B. In the union of set A and set B, there will be all the elements from both the sets. So A union B is equal to, in curly bracket, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M and N, curly bracket close. Next one is universal set. In universal set, there are all the elements. So U is equal to, in curly bracket, this S and T, both the elements will also be in the universal set. So U is equal to X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, N, S and T. This is our universal set. Next one is a complement now. So fifth is a complement. So all the elements except set A will be in the complement of A. So what are the elements of A complement? P, Q, R, then P, Q, R, S and T. These are the elements in the set of A complement. Next is B complement. So B complement is all the elements in the set except in the set B. So here B complement is equal to X, Y, Z, S and T. All the elements of universal set which are not in the set B, those elements will be in the complement of B. So B complement is equal to X, Y, Z, S and T. And last one is seventh one, that is A union B dash. A union B dash, these are all elements of A union B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M and N. So only two elements will be there in the complement of A union B dash, that is the S, comma, T. So in this way, these are the, using Venn diagrams, we have written the given sets.